Now in this circuit we shall see the simulation of the IC 3 terminal voltage regulator IC LT317A. This IC is manufactured by Linear Technologies company, and this software we are using LT Spice. This software is also designed by Linear Technology company, which was then taken over by Analog Devices. Refer our notes on page number 39. Here you will see that circuit which we are going to simulate, and in this circuit we are using R2 as a variable resistor, but in our simulation circuit we are using R2 as a fixed resistor of 300 ohm and R1 is fixed here at 100 ohm, and we are applying a DC voltage of 15 volt at the input, and here we are getting the output. So let us see the simulation, what happens exactly, and I run the simulation first. So when I run it, I have to apply these test probes over here. First I apply for the input voltage. You can see I am getting the input voltage here as 15 volt, and now I apply it for the output voltage. See, the output voltage I am getting is exactly 5 volt, because the value of R2 and R1 together gives you the output voltage for according to this equation, and if you put these values in the equation, then we get VO is equal to 1.25 into 1 plus R2 upon R1. And here in our simulation we are using R2 as 300 ohm and R1 as 100 ohm. So I put the values. So I get 300 upon 100. So the output voltage will be exactly 5 volt. Now if you look at the simulation again, I change the value of this R2 resistor to say 600 ohm. Then we shall run the circuit again and let us see what is the output coming up. You can see here the output is slightly greater than 8.7 volt. Now for that, what we have to do, we have to put the values. VO is equal to 1.25 into 1 plus 600, because R2 is now 600 and R1 is fixed as 100. So you will get 1.25 into 7. So that gives you 8.75 volt. So we are getting the perfect voltages over here. If I reduce this value to just 100 ohm, then you can see what will be the output voltage. I will run the simulation again. Now see, the output voltage is very small. It is 2.5 volt. So 1.25 multiplied by 2 will be 2.5 volt. So just by changing the value of this resistor R2 in this simulation software, we can obtain maximum possible voltage. But according to the notes, as you know, we have already studied that this IC can maximum gives you the output voltage right from 1.25 volt to 37 volt, and the maximum current that is possible in the output of this IC is 1.5 ampere. So in that way we can use this IC for very effective voltage regulation, DC voltage regulation, and this IC is very popular for using it in different types of sensitive electronic circuits. Thank you.